Are you tired of trying countless skin products and still not getting the desired results? Do you want to achieve beautiful, glowing and fair skin without any harmful chemicals? Look no further, because in this video, I am going to share with you the secrets of getting a radiant complexion backed by authentic research and real life examples. Before proceeding ahead, make sure to subscribe to this awesome channel and hit the bell icon. So keep watching and get ready to take notes, because your dream skin is just a few steps away. Hydration. The first step towards achieving beautiful skin is to keep it hydrated. Drink plenty of water and use a moisturizer that suits your skin type. According to a study published in the International Journal of Dermatology, hydrated skin is more elastic, less prone to wrinkles, and has a healthier appearance. Sleep. Beauty sleep is not just a myth, it's a scientific fact. During sleep, your skin repairs and regenerates itself. A study published in the Clinical Cosmetic and Investigational Dermatology found that sleep deprivation can cause skin aging, puffiness and dark circles. So make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Sun protection. The sun harmful ultraviolet rays can cause skin damage, premature aging and skin cancer. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and reapply it every 2 hours if you are spending time outdoors. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that regular use of sun protection can reduce the risk of skin damage and skin aging. Diet. What you eat has a direct impact on your skin. Consuming foods rich in antioxidant, vitamins and minerals can give you a glowing complexion. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can protect the skin from oxidative stress and improve skin health. Skincare routine. A proper skincare routine is essential for achieving beautiful skin. Cleanse your face twice a day. Use a toner and apply a face mask once a week. Choose a skin product that suits your skin type and contain natural ingredients. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that using natural skincare products can improve skin health and reduce the risk of skin irritation. In conclusion, beautiful, glowing and fair skin is achievable with the right combination of hydration, sleep, sun protection, diet and skin care. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine and you will be on your way to a radiant complexion in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials to improve life, and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Your dream skin is just a click away.